Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, Scope IIT. Today I'm starting new subject, data structure. Okay, so first of all, what do you mean by data structure? Data structure it is a way of organizing data so that it can be easily retrieved and it can be used efficiently. Now we will discuss a very important topic, classification of data structure. Okay, so basically a data structure is divided into two types. One is your primitive data structure and the other one is a non-primitive data structure. Now, what do you mean by primitive data structure? Data structure basically that is used to store a data of only one type. Okay, we can store a data of only one type. You need to remember this keyword. And what do you mean by non-primitive data structure? Where we can store data of different type. Okay, we can store a different type of data in non-primitive. So these are the keywords that you have to learn for your definition. So what is a primitive? Primitive, it is a data structure that is used to store only data of single type, and non-primitive that means which is used to store data of different. Now primitive is again divided into many different. One is your integer, you can say character, float, even we call it as real, and even boolean. And non-primitive is divided into two. One is your linear and with linear data structures, and the other one is a non-linear data structure. Non-linear data structure. Linear data structure is again divided into array, stack, queue, and linked list. Non-linear data structure is divided into two. One is your tree and the other one is your graph. Now, what I meant by in primitive, what do you mean by integer? Integer basically that is used to store numeric value. For example, 1, 2, 3, that are integer. What do you mean by character? That is used to store a single character. So basically, what is a character? It can hold only single character. For example, A, if I say B, that's a character. Float that means float or real you can say that is used to store decimal value like 2.3, 4.5, etc. And boolean that means it can hold either true or false. So boolean can have either true or false. This is all about primitive data structure. The non-primitive data structure is divided into two, linear and non-linear. So here first of all, what do you mean by linear data structure? Linear data structure that means here data is stored sequentially. Okay, you need to remember this keyword sequentially. Non-linear that means here data is not stored sequentially. So that means you can say non-sequential. Okay, so not sequential. You need to remember this keyword. Okay, for linear data structure, the data can be stored sequentially or you can say linearly. And in non-linear data structure, that means data is stored non-sequentially. Now, linear data structure also have a different forms like array, stack, queue, linked list. Now, what do you mean by array? Array basically it is a collection of homogeneous data. What do you mean by homogeneous? Homogeneous means data of same type. For example, suppose this is my array. Okay. So in this array, suppose I have stored 2. So can I store here 1.2? No, I can't. Why? Because if I have created one array, okay, how to create array? Integer a of 5. So suppose I have created one array of size 5. Okay. Now here I can insert maximum how many elements? Maximum I can insert 5. So I have created 5 index. Okay. Array index always starts from 0. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. Okay. So now if I insert 1, 2, then 3, 4, 5, 6, it is possible. Why? Because I declared array as an integer data type. Now I cannot store here 5.5 because it is integer. Okay, so that's what it means. Homogeneous. Homogeneous is data of same type. It cannot store one integer, one character, one float. That is not possible in array. Now, what is a stack? Stack is basically a linear data structure which follows LIFO technique. Last in, first out. The element which is inserted last, okay, that element will be removed first. Like a group of plates we have at home. Okay, so we always remove the last plate first, not the middle one or first one, right? Now, in stack, there is only one pointer, that is a top pointer. And in stack, we can do insertion and deletion at only one end. Then queue. Queue is also a linear data structure which is based on the technique FIFO. That is first in, first out. The element which is inserted first will be removed first. Okay. And in queue, there are two different operations. Operations we can perform many. In queue, basically, there are two pointers, front and rear. So in queue, we are having one pointer for insertion, one for deletion. There, rear is used for insertion and front is used for deletion. Then linked list. Linked list basically is nothing but collection of nodes. What is a linked list? Linked list is nothing but collection of node where node is divided into two parts. One is your data part and another one is your link part. Data part will contain the value and link part basically will contain the address of your next node. Okay. Next, what is a tree? Tree basically it is a non-linear data structure that consists of linked nodes. Okay, what is a tree? Tree is a non-linear data structure that consists of linked nodes, and even you can say it has a hierarchical data structure. Okay, even you can say that it has a hierarchical data structure like a parent and child relationship. For example, if I say A, B, C, this can be the example of tree. Now, next, what is a graph? So, graph basically, it is also a non-linear data structure. Graph is nothing but collection of vertices and edges. Okay. For example, if I say A, B, C, D, like this. Okay, so here what are the vertices? A, B, C, D are the vertices, and you can see this line. This is nothing but known as edges. Okay. So graph is nothing but collection of vertices and edges. So that's all with introduction, or you can say classification of data structure. Classification of data structure is very important basically for your exams, like if you are giving engineering exam, for your BCA, MCA, for all the exams, this is a very important topic. So you can go through my video. Whatever notes I said, that all notes I have added here in the description box. Okay. So that also you can see the notes, and please subscribe my channel and let me know whether you like it or not. Thank you so much.